Welcome to Rezolve-AI-PLC's technical analysis. Rezolve-AI-PLC is skyrocketing today. Could this spark a major breakout? The stock gained 24% today, and the 30-day trend suggests an uptrend. The price is trading above all key exponential moving averages, indicating a strong and healthy long-term uptrend with solid short and mid-term momentum. A ascending triangle breakout from $3.60 suggests a move toward $4.81. A potential mid-term resistance is seen around $7.44, supported by a cluster of prior highs in this zone. Between the mid and long-term targets, a notable resistance may appear near $9.56, based on previous swing highs. If momentum continues beyond mid-term resistance, a long-term extension points to a possible target around $9.80, based on a measured move from the last major dip to its previous peak. A rising trendline is supporting the current price structure. The price remains above this trendline near $2.85, suggesting that the upward momentum is still valid. A recent upward gap remains unfilled between $2.65 and $2.76, highlighting a zone of strong support. If the price pulls back to close this gap, it may temporarily drop by around 57.7% from current levels before rebounding. In recent days, price has maintained strong upward momentum, staying above all trend indicators. Momentum is fading, MACD and RSI signal weakness. A similar MACD cycle from August 28 to September 25 led to a price increase of approximately 85.3%. Long-term structure. Price is now above the long-term resistance zone, trend continuation is likely. Price is moving steadily within its short-term channel. Price is trading above the recent swing high, potentially turning it into new support. After approaching the prior swing high, the next upside marker is the 1.618 extension around 8.16. Short-term structure. Price is now above the long-term resistance zone, trend continuation is likely. Price is moving steadily within its short-term channel. Price is trading above the recent swing high, potentially turning it into new support. Volatility is high based on ATR, while trading volume is above average compared to recent averages. The RSI is below its smoothed version. Current RSI is 57.1, while smoothed RSI is 60.9. There is no divergence between the price and RSI. Momentum is aligned with the trend, supporting the current price direction. Technical outlook for Rezolve-AI-PLC, scored 7 out of 10, a moderate setup based on trend, momentum, support, and volume analysis. Price is above all EMAs, long-term uptrend confirmed. Closest EMA is EMA 9 at $5.910, currently acting as support. A rising support trendline near $2.851 is currently holding, reinforcing the upward momentum. A midterm target stands near $7.440, drawn from repeatedly tested highs in the recent range. A symmetrical extension from the last major dip suggests a long-term target near $9.800. Between midterm and long-term levels, an important resistance appears around $9.560. This could act as an intermediate decision point before price reaches the long-term projection. Nearest Fibonacci level is $5.450, acting as support. With price above the previous major high, the next Fibonacci extension to watch is $8.157, Fib 1.618. Price is still moving inside the regression channel. Thank you for watching technical analysis of Rezolve-AI-PLC. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with future videos. See you next time.